Primitive decoration usually pertains to a past decor style, where things are handmade, and made in a culturally traditional way. Here are some of the best primitive decorating ideas, which are perfect for your home design. 1. Galvanized items. The first element we are going to mention are galvanized items as decorating ideas. They offer rustic touches to the room they are in. Here there is an illuminating example to showcase what we actually mean. An old galvanized bucket turned into a sink in a laundry room. 2. Old metal funnels. In the past, many people used metal funnels to transfer water or other liquid materials from one container to the other. This really made their lives easier back then. Turned upside down with a candle stuck in the spout, they make quite striking and beautiful candle holders. 3. Mason jar pendants. We're pretty sure that your grandma likes bringing some jars of jam every time she pays a visit. Have you ever thought, though, about using these as a decorative item? You can actually make some great pendant lights with these. Although the in-between process might be slightly time-consuming, and might require some technician interference, the result will amaze you. 4. Linen curtains. Another primitive decor element is the material of linen. This fabric type really adds to the rustic atmosphere you might want to create. It seems like an old-fashioned fabric, but is still very permanent and widely approved. Especially if you want to create this primitive vibe, it's something you should think about. 5. Old windows for decor. Take an old window and turn it into something cute and useful. Now this is what we are talking about when we say DIY primitive decor. See how easily you can change the whole window just by adding some special details. Like photos, a small chalkboard for daily reminders, and vases with flowers. In this case, you can also take advantage of the vases and add some candles inside each of them to make it look even cuter. 6. Old trunks. Trunks are a key element of primitiveness, and they also serve as two things at the same time. First, you can use them as a storage space, and second, you might as well use them as sitting benches. 7. Old dressers. Have you got any old dressers in the attic which you think are useless? Well, think again. These can really add primitive touches, whether placed outdoors or indoors. And if the paint has faded or it's uneven, that's even better. 8. Frames. What about decorating the place with your favorite photos? Well, in this case it goes without saying that you won't use your digital photo frames. Instead, look out for some old frames you might have, and then use some strings to create space for placing some of your photos there. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.